Routes represent Chicago's cultural richness and caring for the land. Routes celebrate the migration of people and wildlife that make Chicago their home or stop here on their path. Roots and Routes is a collective that includes community organizations from the South and West Sides, Chicago Park District, the Field Museum, and the Nature Conservancy. These partners work together to create and sustain the Burnham Wildlife Corridor on Chicago's South Lakefront as a culturally significant space while also supporting projects in adjacent communities. A key element of Roots and Routes is the gathering spaces. These spaces are a series of artist-designed community areas installed along the corridor. They were born out of a commitment to improve quality of life for Chicago residents by deepening connections to nature in the city. Each of the gathering spaces was created in partnership with a community organization located in nearby neighborhoods. The spaces serve as sites for community events, reflection, and healing as people explore the lakefront.
Roots and Routes is a partner network that is more than the sum of its parts. It is a collective of community-based organizations, museums, and environmental agencies that build upon common ground. We collaborate on work that advances the missions of partners while creating spaces for exchange and learning. For example, the programs the Chinese community develops with Roots and Routes serve as a vital resource for Chinatown residents, but also provide fun ways for people of all backgrounds to learn about Chinese culture and traditional connections to nature. Roots and Routes also focuses on young people and building intergenerational relationships. The Chicago Green Ambassadors is a summer internship program run by the Field Museum. High school students gain experience in community-based research and urban ecology. In recent years, interns from Chinatown have made meaningful contributions to their community through Green Ambassadors by developing a recycling and signage system, cataloging important traditional plants, and mapping gardens. As part of this program, elders often are in the position to make deeper connections with young people, contributing to their projects. Youth also learn about the natural environment and green careers. Roots and Routes supports the next generation of environmental and community leaders.
Through habitat restoration, the Burnham Wildlife Corridor is being transformed into what Chicago looked like to the Potawatomi, Ho-Chunk, Illinois, Miami, and Anishinaabe before European settlers had arrived. Thanks to these efforts, the Chicago South Lakefront is home to beautiful plants and animals and an important resting spot for monarchs and birds on yearly migrations. The Burnham Wildlife Corridor, along with 2,000 acres of natural areas across the city, help contribute to climate change mitigation, stormwater control, and a healthier life for our city's residents.